Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand in Santa Barbara, California today. It's a crazy, wild weekend at the beach. Off to the beach. It's a gorgeous day in Santa Barbara. It's 79 degrees. And Governor Newsom just came out with, a very confusing thing. On Thursday, we were told the beaches are going to be closed all weekend. But then, and that came from his office or something. And then the next day, things got cleared up and we're not closing the Santa Barbara beaches. They are closing Orange County beaches, specific ones. Okay, we're dealing with it, but I think it's going to be Grand Central. Let's find out. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I can already see the second lot is already full at my local beach. It's called Hendry's Beach. Home of Boathouse Restaurant, one of my favorites. They do takeout though still. Got cars backed up. Mom just sprayed his hands down with sanitizer before she got the dog in the car. This was going to be a quick stop at the beach just to take some shots, but I can already tell it is crazy. There is a line of cars waiting to get in. I've been sitting here for 5 minutes. Bingo, I got a spot, so I'm backing up. Got my spot. I'm definitely wearing my mask to this beach adventure. These cars are just crazy. They are just everywhere. They are so backed up. Even the bikes and motorcycle area is completely filled up. This is a hot zone because this is where you got to go to take the stairs down. And there's a great sign. It says, crowded parks lead to closed parks. Well, it's a crowded park. Look at all this. I mean, we got a tent over there. This is what our Santa Barbara Beach looks like today. This is like Memorial Day or 4th of July. Can you see that? That's incredible. I've never seen the beach so busy except on a holiday. Wow, who are all these people? Oh my gosh, look there. Look down that way. This is nuts. Nuts, 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 nuts. They've all heard the news. It is not supposed to have all these people. I am just panning the camera so you can see. I do see families. I do see families. I mean, it's a good thing. Spend the day at the beach with your kids. I am all for that. But this scene is crazy. That guy's, nobody's wearing masks. No mask, no mask. They're wearing masks. All right. We like the masks. I'm trying to see if we have multi-families going on. Looks like a few adults and some kids. I am not staying here long. People are passing me without masks. They are passing me. No mask, no mask. I'm moving. Moving out. Feel better. This is crazy. Everybody's coming. No masks, no masks, no masks, no masks. Wow. I mean, really, didn't they get that? I mean, haven't they been watching the news? I don't think so. That's crazy to me. Look at all those people. Now, they are not one household. You got adults and adults and adults. Let's go see where they land. The waves are great for surfing, and there hasn't been a storm, so swimming and surfing is okay. And there's a lifeguard. He's out today because he can run right down this beach path through those yellow surfboards and right in case there's a surfer in trouble. So, even he knows it's going to be a busy day at the beach, so the county was prepared. He's watching good with his eyes. So, the county knew. The county knew. And I'm just doing my walk. This is my little walkabout. Walkabout. Here we have a nice queue up. You're able to get drinks at Boathouse. Now these people were social distancing in line. There's a line all lined up. And you can get food with drinks. And that's nice. It's a hot day at the beach. I think a lemonade is in order, if not a beer. I'm okay with that. A lot of people laying at the beach. It's a beautiful day. A lot of birds. We like the birds. Kids playing. They look alike. The same family. I just love that the kids can play. My God, being cooped up in a house or an apartment with these kids, that could be trouble. You know, people get restless, and it is a beautiful day and it's a weekend. But this is what our beach looks like. All the people at the beach. I get that their blankets are 6 feet apart. Now that's clear. But there's a whole lot of people hanging out on the blankets. You know, mixed groups. Lots of adults, lots of kids, and no masks, no masks. I just am speechless. You know, I thought it was going to be busy, but I sure didn't think it was going to be this busy. I really didn't. You know what? I think a lot of LA people came. Take a look at this. We're going right up here to my perch. By my little self, I'm gonna stand here and get an overview. Santa Barbara, California, Hendry's Beach, 4 o'clock on May 2nd. I just covered the big rally yesterday, the MAGA May Day rally. And that was something. And now to cover the beach. Wow. Okay, I mean, I just don't even know what to say. I think this is going to be a short video because we probably all predicted this was going to happen. What do you say to this? What's your comment? What are your thoughts? All the way down, I mean, the beach goes down a half a mile. It is so busy. How can you even get your own little spot? I mean, are you yelling at your neighbor? Please get 6 feet apart. You know, you got all these people. I mean, this person's stuck next to that pile, and then in front of that. It's just everywhere. And no masks, no masks, no masks. There's not much commentary to say. You know, if they cannot get the COVID, if after a weekend like this, we don't have the COVID, that would be good. But I would think a weekend like this, with the wind blowing, I'm standing here and the wind's blowing. It is beautiful. I could just look at that all day long, even with the people there. Isn't that a pretty sight? Aren't we so blessed? Santa Barbara is just the prettiest town I've ever been in my life, and I've been a lot of places. I want it to survive. I do not want our health system to crash. Do not want the nurses, the doctors to feel the pain of a weekend like this in our town. Maybe one day we'll find out that being outside in this air isn't going to get you sick with COVID-19. Maybe statistics will bear that out. I believe in our public health scientists. And what they tell me, as you told you before, my dad was in public health his whole career. And I listened to him. And he was a microbiologist. So I felt I had some kind of understanding about biology and about it spreading. And so if it's true that the sun in the 79-degree day creates such a small half-life on the virus, then maybe this won't be so bad. But hey, isn't this virus in India? Isn't this virus in hot places? Aren't they suffering there on very hot and very humid days? I would think that that is still going to come to our country and our beaches. If it's happening over there, there's nothing special about the United States of America. I mean, aren't we all kind of waiting for the wave in Florida to happen, where we see what happens there after all their stuff? I mean, maybe we'll all find out that we're okay and we're going to be fine here. And let's hope so, because this is one heck of a crowded beach. Right now we have about 15 people in ICU and about another 35 to 50 total in the hospital. Every day the numbers change, and we have 8 deaths in Santa Barbara, California on May 2nd, 2020. So it will bear out in later results what happens with this weekend. But we also have been attracting them from Los Angeles. So these could be a lot of out-of-towners here taking over our beaches. Well, thanks for watching this video. I can't wait to read your comments. Please comment. If you do, YouTube sends this on the algorithm out for more people to see it. So that's always great when you do comment. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell up there to get notified of my next video. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're healthy, safe, and having a nice day with people you love. And if you're isolating, I hope you're able to reach out and get close to people on other ways, as in social media. I'm telling you, your comments mean so much to me. I read them every day. I'm just so blessed to have you connecting with me as I'm isolating by myself in my home. Bye.